What's the meaning of Boeing? Boeing. Boeing.
Boeing. Boeing. Boeing is an American multinational corporation that designs, manufactures, and sells airplanes, rotorcraft, rockets, satellites, telecommunications equipment, and missiles worldwide. It was founded in 1916 by William Boeing and has since become one of the largest aerospace companies in the world. The company's products and services are used by governments, militaries, airlines, and private customers around the globe. Boeing is headquartered in Chicago, Illinois, and employs over 140,000 people in more than 65 countries. Its mission is to build better and safer products that connect and protect people everywhere.